Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to explain you some more important questions of Laplace transforms, and for that important questions we have to learn some formulas of Laplace transform. Okay. For using this formula I want to explain you our previous formula which I have explained in my previous videos. That is, the formula is this: L of 1 is equals to 1 by S. L of e power at is equals to 1 by S minus a. L of e power minus at is equals to 1 by S plus a. L of sin at is equals to a by S square plus a square. L of cos at is equals to S by S square plus a square. And next, last one, L of t power n is equals to n factorial by S power n plus 1. Okay, so what we have to do, I am going to explain you some advanced formulas of this type. Okay, now applying first shifting property. Okay, as I have explained you all the shifting property, everything I have explained you, so go through all the notes once again. Now first problem I am going formula I am explaining here is L of e power at into t power n. Okay, our previous formula is L of t power n is equals to n factorial by S power n plus 1. Now I am applying t with t power n e power at. So what I will get, n factorial by S minus a power n plus 1. Here L of e power at into sin bt is equals to b by S minus a square plus b square. This is the formula. Previously what we are having, L of sin bt is equals to b by S square plus b square. Now in the same way, L of e power at into cos bt is equals to S minus a whole square plus b square. Previously our formula was L of cos bt is equals to S by S square plus b square. Now I am going to explain you the very important problems. The problem is given to you as, if a is equals to, that is first problem, e power 2t square minus 3t plus 4. Okay, as we have done in our previous problems, what we will take, this part I am taking f of t. F of t is equals to 2t square minus 3t plus 4. Okay, what I have done, I have taken this part, f of t is equals to 2t square minus 3t plus 4. Now I am applying Laplace. L of f of t, here 2 is constant, L of t square minus 3 is constant, L of t plus 4 is constant, here L of 1. Okay, L of 1 is here. So 2 is constant. What is the formula for t power n? T power n is n factorial by S power n plus 1. So what we will get? 2 factorial by S power 2 plus 1. So 3. Here 3 into this 3 into 1 factorial, that is 1 by S power 1 plus 1, that is 2, plus 4 into 1 by S. So what I will take? 2 factorial is nothing but 2 only. 2 2 is a 4 by S cube minus 3 by S square plus 4 by S. Now what we have to do? We have to take the LCM. LCM means we will get here, if I take the LCM, I will get here S cube is our LCM. So 4 minus 3, okay, 4. S cube gets cancelled, left is 4. 3 by S square into S cube. So 3 by S square into S cube, S square and S cube cancel, left is S. So 3 into S. Here as it is 4S square, that is our f of S. Okay, I think you people know how to do the LCM. Okay, if you will not, so write it in my comment section. I will explain you how to do the LCM. Okay, now what we will take, this is our f of S. Now I am applying first shifting property. What is our first shifting property? L of e power at f of t is equals to f of S minus a. So what is our problem here? L of e power 2t f of t is equals to L of S minus 2. Wherever we are having a, we have to substitute 2. So what is our f of t? F of S is 4 minus 3s plus 4s square by s cube. So wherever we are having s, we have to substitute s minus 2. S minus 2 whole square, s minus 2 whole cube. Okay, so the now I'm writing L of e power 2t. What is f of t? F of t is nothing but our function 2t square minus 3t plus 4, which we have taken back. That is equals to, if we solve this, 4 minus 3s minus into minus plus. Okay, 3 2s are 6. If I open this according to a minus b whole square formula, and if after opening this we have to multiply with 4 and clubbing all these values, so we will get 4s square minus 19s plus 26 after calculating. So this is the value of L of e power 2t into 2t square minus 3t plus 4 is equals to 4s square minus 19s plus 26 by s minus 2 whole cube. Okay. Now I am explaining you the next important question, that is second important question, e power minus 3t into 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t. Okay, it is very important. Okay, very important. So what we have to take here, as you people know, L of e power at into f of t is equals to f of s minus a. This is our formula. Okay, formula for first shifting property. Okay, first shifting property. So what is our f of t here? As we have done previously, we will take f of t is 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t. Applying Laplace, L of f of t is equals to 2 L of cos 5t minus 3 L of sin 5t. Okay, now what is the formula for cos 5t? S into s square plus 25, that is 5 square, minus 3 into sin 5t means sin 5t means a by a is our 5, s square plus 25, cos 80 is formula. Cos 80 is equals to s by s square plus a square. In the same way, sin 80 is equals to a by s square plus a square. So I am writing this. It is s. It is not 5. It is s. Okay. Now it is 2s by s square plus 25 minus 3 5s are 15 by s square plus 25. Now I am taking LCM. So left it with denominator I will get, because both the denominator is having same value. So our LCM is s square plus 25. So now if I take this 2s minus 15. This is our f of s. Okay. This is our what? Capital letter f of s. Now applying first shifting property. What is our first shifting property? E power L of e power minus 3t into f of t is L of f of s plus 3. L of e power, given question it is. Okay, given question. Look at your question. E power minus 3t f of t. F of t is nothing but 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t, which we have taken before. That is equals to f of s minus a. So here minus into minus become plus 3. Okay. So wherever we are having s here, we have to substitute s plus 3. 2 into s plus 3 minus 15 by s plus 3 whole square plus 25. If I multiply this 2s plus 6 minus 15 by this, and if I open this according to a plus b whole square formula, I will get the result like this. Okay. So understood this problem. So in my next video, what I will explain you the next important questions depend on this problem, first shifting property only. I will explain you the next problems. Till then, what you people have to do, you have to copy all the notes, copy it and try to understand it. If you are having any problem, if you are having any difficulty, to write it in my comment section or contact to me. Okay, till then, don't forget to subscribe first, and don't forget to note these problems in your notes. Okay, Allah Hafiz.